Okay, I saw this cat toy, so I'm gonna try to make it for my cats. My game plan, I got these pillowcases from Goodwill that had this in it. My game plan is to seam rip apart these and then sew them together into a rectangle. And I will cut circles out of the top one and probably sew around the circle and do some fray check to help with fraying. And then afterwards, do a few pieces of Velcro on the bottom so it can stick to the bottom mat portion and can be changed to like fluff up in different places.